One of the questions we get asked a lot here at SwissWatchExpo is how to properly stow the dive extension on an Omega Seamaster. This is a GMT model, beautiful watch. If you look at the clasp right here in the section where the extension for the diver is, there's a little lip right there, and it fits in the clasp right here under this section. So if you were to just fold it down like this, you would see it just impacts that other bar and it will not properly lock in. So it feels like it does, but it really doesn't. So what you need to do instead is when you open this up, and look, now I've got it stuck, there we go. Bring it in at a 90-degree angle so that you're putting that lip under the other piece, and then fold this down. So that's the motion you're looking for, not this where you fold it first and then tuck it under, but instead where you come in at a 90-degree angle and then click it in.